Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to use the on-page editor directly on your website. The on-page editor is the best way to view and edit translations on your website in real time. To get to the on-page editor, click the on-page editor link in the Phrases menu. Enter in the site URL that you want to review and click Launch. Your website will be displayed and the on-page editor will be opened next to it. Select the language from the drop-down list that you are working on. Phrases will be outlined on your website with a specific color that corresponds to the translation method used for that translation, machine or human. You can toggle the various bins on and off to filter the list of phrases and to show or hide the outlining of phrases on your website. Click on a phrase on the page to add or edit the translation. The changes are seen on your web page immediately. When you are done editing the phrase, click on View All Phrases to see the full list of phrases, or simply click on another phrase to edit. If you prefer to view the source phrase and translation side by side rather than stacked, click the Side by Side button. To find a specific phrase, start typing part of the phrase in the search bar. To clear the search term, delete it. To move the on-page editor window, you can either pin it to the right side of the screen, or pin it to the left side of the screen, or move it to wherever you want by clicking the pop-out button. To navigate to another page on your website, double-click on a link or a button on your website. Then you can continue to review translations on the new page. Sometimes a website has a top navigation bar that is hidden beneath the on-page editor's navigation bar. To fix this, click the Move Up-Down button to toggle the on-page editor's navigation bar from the top to the bottom of the page. If you want to work on a specific page on your website, click on the Pages drop-down. Select a page from the list. The page will be displayed and the phrases list will be filtered to show the phrases on the selected page. You can also switch to focus mode by clicking the arrow button. This will allow you to work on one translation at a time without the phrases panel taking up part of the screen. Hover over a translation on your web page and click the Edit button. After making your changes, click the Close button. You can then select another translation to work on. When you are done using the on-page editor for this session, click the Exit button. Clicking the Exit button will ensure that the on-page editor won't appear on your website the next time you view it. By allowing translators to edit translations directly on your website, you will find that the on-page editor will shorten the time that it takes to translate your content and will reduce the overall cost of translation.